Oh, wow, wow, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just wanted to do a little video and just say thank you for sharing time and space all together in the beautiful kitchen today, creating that beautiful award-winning chocolate and courgette cake. Yeah, thank you for trusting the process. Thank you for just trusting the time, the space, and honouring yourself the space as well. So yes, happy, happy, happy. Remember, the cake has to come out the oven. Remember, you have to let the cake cool a little bit as well before you can eat it, because it's best a little bit cooler with everything. So yeah, and remember, it's freezable. So if you don't eat it all now, then cut it into small pieces, into portions, wrap it up and put it in the freezer, and then you can take it out of the freezer, warm it up in the oven if you wanted to, or pack it up into your picnics, your lunch boxes, and take it to work with you if you wanted to, and things like that as well. So yes, and I just wanted to, gosh, we discussed so much today, so much. So yes, so in the email below there is a link for you being able to download your egg replacement PDF if you want to have a longer list than what I shared. There's also a link in there for the Loving Chef recipe collections. So that's the 31 easy recipes for you to do with the cook along videos that I mentioned. So there's a link in there further down. Gosh, I've had to write a list because there's so many different links and things that I promised you during the course of the session. So yes, there's also a review button there, so within the link. So yeah, your feedback to us is really, really important, so we can help. So we can help other people and share with other people what it is that we do up here, so they can also have the experience that you've had today, and also any other feedback you'd like to give us as well to make this process easier, more customer friendly, where we can improve upon, because hey, we're all developing and growing along the way as well. And yeah, I would love to hear back from you, and feedback and testimonials obviously, and reviews that we can share, please. That would be brilliant. Gosh, what else is there? There is also a link down there. We talked about the music and that was playing along in the background. There's a link to download that as well. And if any of you would like to contact me further about the retreats, the themed evenings, and the other cook along workshops that we're doing, then please do message me. I think you've all got my phone number by now, but yeah, but please do email me or message me to talk further, because 2023 is going to be super, super exciting too. But for now, I wish you all a very, very blessed rest of the weekend. Thank you ever so much for taking time out to join us in this beautiful kitchen. And I'm going to go grab a cup of tea and have a piece of cake and share it with beautiful partner Samuel, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Take care for now, and I look forward to connecting soon. Bye bye.